He's mad because you never come for her anymore.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi, Roxy.
Hi. See, this is our...
Ew, his fleas.
No, there's no.
No, it's feathers. Oh, feathers.
It's video.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Bye.
This
Hi.
Roxy.
Thank you. See,
How
what's
are
that?
you?
I'm fine. What's
How
that?
are you? Mom, he can wait. He'll chase the hairspray.
That's the one?
Yeah.
That's the one? That's a spray?
I'm gonna close the door.
Hi, Mike. How are you?
Or she's gonna put hairspray in her hair and when she eats it.
Come on, Roxy. Come on.
Okay, bye, Roxy.
Bye.
Bye, Roxy. Bye, bye. How are you?
Gosh,
How are
you
you?
for me.
Bye, Roxy. Bye, bye.
How are you?
Bye, bye. How are you? Hi, Roxy.
He's trying to knock the door. Open it. Open it, Jimin.
A little bit.
Just a little bit, yeah.
Roxy, here.
Yeah.
Come on, come on.
He's scared. He's trying to open the door. Come on, Gina. Come on, Roxy.
Come on, Roxy.
Hi, Roxy. Mom, stop surrounding him with a camera. He's like, Dad, what are you doing?
Thank you. Thank you, Roxy.